Here's some tips for cleaning your home while saving time. Are the crevices on the oven filled with crumbs? Blow them away using a balloon pump. Clever! A makeup sponge should be washed after each use. Using this method, it will be as good as new in a jiffy. Perfect! Make the stainless steel shine again with some spray lubricant. Spotless! To organize your metal utensils, use adhesive magnets. Handy! What a mess! To keep worktops clean, especially in the kitchen, a squeegee will become your best friend. Dirty shoes? You can use shower caps as shoe covers. Now the floors will not be dirtied. Try this method to remove stubborn grime. An excellent alternative to using a traditional sponge. With this tip, you won't need any pegs to close open packets. There, done! To clean the rubber parts of your sneakers, all you need are two products that we all have at home. Mix together toothpaste and baking soda using a new toothbrush until you get a smooth paste. Scrub the paste over the rubber parts. The results will be visible immediately. This appliance is not only useful for massaging your body, it lifts up crumbs as you vacuum, ensuring that not a single one is left stuck to the fabric. Wow! This is the correct way to close a box of pasta. Easy.